Let's make this basic chicken curry and rice recipe. Starting with 2 pots on my stove, I've got 1 pot here with 2 cups of rice, and I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of rough salt and allow this to boil until the rice is nice and soft. In this pot, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil, add in 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Braise these onions on high heat. In this bowl, I've washed and cleaned 1 kg of drumstick and thigh pieces, and to this I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of rough salt. Once it is browned, lower the heat to medium heat and then add in your chicken pieces. Add in half a cup of water, cover the lid and allow this to simmer. While the chicken is steaming, we're going to peel and cut 4 medium-sized potatoes like so. And then to this, we're going to add in 1 heaped teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of dhania powder or coriander powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. In addition to this, I'm going to add in tomato puree, about 2 tablespoons, and then also add in 1 cup of boiling water. Once you've noticed that the chicken is slightly white in color, we're going to add in our potato and spice mix. Then give this a quick toss, close the lid and allow the chicken to cook until the potatoes are soft. After 20 minutes, your chicken curry is ready. Garnish this with some coriander leaves. To plate this, I'm just going to add in some rice in the center. Place a piece of meat, some potatoes, some gravy, garnish with some cherry tomatoes, and some coriander on the sides. And then you've got yourself a lovely basic chicken curry and rice served for dinner.